I'm Donna. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make Georgian pancakes. They're a little different than American pancakes. They of course have some eggs, flour, sugar, and a little bit of sour cream inside. My kids love that Georgian pancakes, and this is kind of pretty much the staple morning thing in Georgia. So after we moved here, I used to make them when they had sleepovers. Their friends got to know that, and every time they used to come, they were like, "Can you make Georgian pancakes?" So I used to make them all the time. So we're gonna start with the 2 eggs. We'll probably make 10 or 15. They are smaller size than American pancakes. They're like a little bigger than the silver dollop, that's how you call silver dollar pancakes, but smaller than regular American pancakes. So I'm going to add just a little bit of sugar. Usually I don't measure those things, but I have to now because I'm teaching you guys. So it's about half a cup of regular sugar. We're gonna whisk that just lightly, not too much, and add a little bit of sour cream, maybe. That happens all the time. I leave it unattended and it just jumps out. Okay, we can wash it. Alright, just whisk it, and be careful with that. I don't want it to happen again. I am going to add maybe a cup of sour cream. Alright, that should be good. Oh, hope it's not a lot. Sometimes we add, usually like in Georgia they use yogurt. It's thinner than Greek yogurt, like plain yogurt, regular yogurt. Sometimes we use ricotta. And it's really good with ricotta too, but right now I'm gonna use sour cream because I just happen to have sour cream at home. So you just whisk it really well, so until it's nicely combined. And okay, let's do carefully. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon baking powder to that. And I like to add lemon or lime zest. Just make sure that we rinse that because I just happen to have it. You don't have to add that. Oh, very important, vanilla. I don't want to forget that. Okay, I have my vanilla here. Vanilla is more important than orange zest. So you can add lemon zest or orange zest. I like both. It just gives nice flavor. So maybe a teaspoon. As much as you want. Okay. I got this orange to make Aperol, but never happened. I need it for pictures, not to drink. Alright, you have to see the consistency. See the consistency? So it's thin, and I'm going to add flour. Nobody measures in Georgia, trust me, especially when they make those pancakes. I just added half a cup and another cup, half a cup. So total is 1 cup right now. And I'm just gonna see the consistency and feel and see if it's enough or not. Okay, this is a small bowl, but it's okay. Gonna make a mess. I think that's good, actually. That looks good. See, that's a beautiful consistency. Not too thick, not too thin. I love that. We're gonna make probably 20 or 25 small pancakes. Whew. Yes. All right, next. Non-stick skillet. Well, also the difference between American pancakes and those Georgian pancakes is that we add not a lot, but about a tablespoon or 2 oil to fry them, because you'll see how beautiful and golden they become when you fry it in oil. So I'm gonna add avocado oil because it's good for cooking. I don't like to use good olive oil, extra virgin olive oil for cooking. All right, 1 cup flour. Okay, we have to remember that. Did I add vanilla? No, I opened, but I did not add. I don't think I added. Okay, just 1 teaspoon. Never too much. And we can stir. And we need like medium heat will be good. Because the thing is, like, if the batter is too thick, then it will burn from outside and not get cooked from inside. So this is the important thing. The temperature, you have to control the temperature, and you have to control the thickness of the pancakes. See, these are like much thicker than regular American pancakes, right? Yeah, they're thicker. Okay, I think the pan is nice and hot. The oil is hot. And we just, oh, look at that bubbles. Yeah, that's what we want to see. And make sure that it's not too thick, and make this size. This is a perfect size. And I think 3 will be enough. There we go. So the important thing is to control the temperature. I'm gonna just turn it down a little bit because we don't want to burn the outside, and we want to make sure that inside is cooked. Also, another trick is, like, you can always put the lid on, and that helps the heat to stay in the pan and helps it to cook inside. Okay, we can check the edge, see how it's, oh, that's gorgeous, that's beautiful. All right, gently flip it over. Woo, yes. And there we go, gorgeous, beautiful. So that's, see, like, if it did not have oil, it's not gonna be that nice and bubbly. So the oil helps to make it nice and bubbly. And this beautiful edge, I love that edge. Oh, this is gorgeous. So I'm gonna put the lid back on so that to make sure that it cooks inside. And I'm gonna gently move, and I have to just check it to make sure that it's cooked in the middle. Oh, 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 oh. Hot, 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 hot. Because I feel like it might need a little more time. Okay, let's check this one. Ooh, beautiful. Okay. Yeah, I can break it. I can break it. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful. Isn't it beautiful? Alright, we made our Georgian pancakes. This is for you, Fair Bear. Dedicated to you, and I hope I'll see you this summer, and I promise I'll make some Georgian pancakes for you. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and see you next time.